Obviously, I haven't put up a video in a while, so I'm going to put one up today. And one will be coming along, I think, sooner than later on changing the oil and servicing the Galaxie. There's a winter weather advisory out for a few inches of snow this evening. And if it stays cold, it's only 31 out now. And if it stays below freezing, yeah, they'll probably salt the roads. And once they salt them, the Galaxie's not going out anymore unless rain washes the salt away. I don't want that salt dust, even if it's dry, it gets into everything. And salt absorbs moisture, so it'll still rot things, you know, even the salt dust. But I want to buff the paint and do some other things. And another thing too, I put it on my Instagram. Hang on, let me get in the car. Okay, now I'm in the car comfortably. The car turned 80,000 miles, and I put a little video of it on my Instagram of it actually turning. I'll put it right here in this video. So anyway, as I said, I've been driving this car quite a bit, and it's easier for me to get in and out of than the truck. You got to kind of get up in there. I have some, I'm just going to just state this. I got a little health issue. It was discovered when I had my physical. I didn't have one last year in 20 because of the pandemic. Usually I have one every year. And I got to have a biopsy. And it's taken a while to get it, because the stuff to do the biopsy all comes from China, of all places. You'd think that kind of medical stuff would be made here, but it's not. But anyway, then the labs are backed up too, I guess because of COVID. So it's a 3 to 4 week turnaround from when they do the biopsy to when you get the results. So I haven't really been working out in the garage much, you know, dealing with this health issue, but hopefully soon. And like I say, I'll do a video when I get on doing the maintenance on the Galaxie, which if it snows and they salt the roads, I'll go ahead and change oil and grease up the chassis and everything. Let me get out of the car again. It's actually only 250 miles from being due mileage-wise for the oil change. And I don't want it just sitting here with dirty oil in it. So, you know, it's just easier on the bearings and the surfaces and stuff if there isn't oil with acids. These carbureted engines, they don't run super lean like fuel-injected engines. You got the choke, you know, and they run a little richer on choke cold, and you get the blow. All engines blow by the rings, and you know, it just gets the oil dirty quicker. So you need to change oil in carbureted cars a little more often. You know, if fuel-injected, you can go 5, depending on how you drive them, 5,000-10,000 miles. These cars, I do them every once a year, every 2,000 miles because of the kind of driving I do. But you could go probably 3,000. I wouldn't let these old carbureted cars go over 3,000 mile oil changes. But it's due, and I'll do a video when I get ready to do it. But because they're predicting snow, I'm going to get prepared, and I'll put this in this video. I'm going to get the snowblower out for the first time, fire it up, get it ready to work. If I don't, we'll get a bunch of snow. If I do, maybe we won't get any snow. You know, you get prepared and then you don't need it. You don't get prepared and then I'm out there digging out the snowblower and trying to get it going in the snow, and that's no fun. So anyway, that's what this video is going to be. Mostly is getting the snowblower. Usually starts right up, so it's probably going to be a short video. Often if we only get an inch or two of snow, I just use this. This does a wonderful job of cleaning the snow up quick. But if we get more, then, or if it's wet, then I use a snowblower. All right, I fill it with gas. The muffler and everything I sprayed with WD-40, so it may smoke a little bit off the muffler and stuff. It's a 5 horsepower Tecumseh Snow King engine. This is a 1976 snowblower. Let's see what it'll do. Choke. Yeah, I got everything on, I think. little bit. It's actually, I don't know if it shows up in the camera, but it just started snowing. They said it was going to start about 3. It's about noon. So maybe we'll get more of the snow there. It's snowing all right now. Again, I don't know if it's showing up in the camera, but I'll take some video if we get some snow. You can put a mower deck on it, the front, you know, rotary mower deck. They make a bunch of different attachments for the power unit, but you have to take this heater box off and put an air cleaner on it when you do that. The kit came with all that. I've never taken this off because I've only ever used this with a snowblower attachment. But anyway, there's the 76 Ariens SnowThrow ready for snow, so we probably won't get any. That's why I'm not changing the oil on this quite yet, because if they don't salt the roads, I'll still be using it. And if they do, then I'll change the oil, grease it up, maybe start working on buffing the paint in the next few weeks or so. And like I say, I'll do a video. I've had enough of you that want to see the maintenance done on the Galaxie, so I'll show that and a little video of buffing it. It's just 5 after 12, yeah, and it's, like I say, I don't know if the snow shows up in the video or not, but it's, you can see it on the dirt in the garden. I think we're going to get a little bit of snow, maybe not enough for the snowblower, but enough to warrant getting it out just in case if I do need it. Because like I say, there is a winter weather advisory, and they're talking 3 inches of snow by this evening. They said it was going to start around 3 in the afternoon, so it's starting a few hours early, so maybe we'll get what they're predicting. It'd be kind of nice. I wouldn't mind some snow. And if we get it, it'll be good to come out here in the garage and do an oil change and stuff. Sorry I didn't make a video for Thanksgiving, so late happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I hope not too many people overate. I know I did. But anyway, again, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Well, that's it for this video. If we get a little bit of snow, I'll put a video clip or a photo on Instagram. I'll leave a link to my Instagram in the description, which I do in all my videos now. But anyway, that's it for this video. It's a short one, but it's a video. If you like it, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe to my channel, hit that 348 engine icon that pops up there. And thank you for watching my videos.